bola sa kanya. Here's Roger Yap going the other way. 1 against 3. But he gets the basket. That's a foul. What a daredevil move dito para kay Roger Yap.
What poise, ano? What poise para dito kay Roger Yap. Tatlo-tatlo na yung gumugulo sa kanya. Nakuha pa niyang makaspin at makalayup that time.
One of the coolest characters naman talaga to si Roger Yap as far as the point guard position of Pure Food is concerned. Very confident si Coach Ryan Gregorio sa ability to si Roger Yap.
Well, kaya nga nawala na sa Pure Food si Paul Artadi, no? Dependable after the acquisition of Planete at ito na si Roger Yap, nandyan pa.
After that run of the Pure Food TJ Giants, dapat tawag ng time out si Coach Derek Pumaren. We'll be back.
Now that's been totally raised.
Wala na yan. 29 apiece. At tignan natin how Talking Text reacts dahil parang nabarat sila nitong Pure Food. Especially Roger Yap, napakaganda ng last play nila. So momentum obviously has shifted. Carey, who played a good first quarter, kicks it out. Virtualo brings it closer. Bitin ang kanyang jumper. Another putback. Wala yan. Isa
Another
pa.
block. Another miss.
Wala,
It's
three.
off to the races.
Ito na naman si Roger Yap. Gusto umulit. Draft ito. Pero bago na ipasa nga,
May foul there. May foul there. I like the intensity of the Giants dito.
So the inbound on the sideline. Roger Yap ang tumanggap. Roger Yap going to the lane. It's open again para sa kanya. Kanyang scoop shot. Hindi pumasok. Gusto na yata pagkatuloy nakabantay sa kanya, no? Ito si Mark Pingris.
And that gives the lead.
And they've come all the way back. Diba? Talagang
tatlong offensive rebounds doon eh, no?
Pero Roger Yap, nakakapasok sa lane.
Kaya yung scoop shot eh.
Here's Jimmy Alapag. We haven't heard from him. Jumper by Renren. That's his fourth. That's a TM press. Natin sa inyo ni Renren. Virtualo, pang-apat na yan. And he gives the lead back to his team.
12 points from Rain Man. But the ball game has become interesting. Dahil nga nakahabol yung Pure Foods. Kanina itong Talk and Text nagbabadyang break wide open eh. Become a season game with Pingris scoring.
Back-to-back baskets naman si Mark Pingris. Another energy guy para sa Pure Foods. Alapag wants to get a three of his own, pero wala yan, hindi pumasok. Here's Roger Yap. Stops in his tracks, but drops it off. And a good tip in by Kirby Raimundo.
Office miss.
Oh.
Like the intensity ng Pure Foods.
Parang
palaki ng palaki ang abante nila dito.
walang white shirt at tumalon dun eh, no? After the first shot went out. This is Kirby
Hindi
Raimundo.
na si Kirby, di ba? And the shooter knows where the ball will go.
Washington, come out there, wala yan. So ito ng Pure Foods, chance to capitalize. 3-point lead na sila. Could extend that with a made basket here. Raimundo makes his move. Ito, lefty layup. Pero putback na naman. So, ay, gusto ni Kirby na dumami yung stats na hindi lang sa scoring, pati sa rebound.
The offensive rebound
Oo,
basket. At 5 puntos na itong abante ng Pure Foods. Kanina, they were trailing by 11 points.
The crowd is loving it. Itong crowd dito sa Lamberto Macias Sports Center. Reacting to this great comeback by Pure Foods. Pero yun, tama.
Take it strong, take the bump, make the shot.
Yun naman ang ginagawa ng Tongetex nung first quarter, Barry. They were trying to dominate inside and they were able to get that 11-point lead, di ba? Eh, biglang nag-settle for outside jumpers. Al-Jamal missing 5 here in the second quarter. Alapag just missed a jumper a while ago. Kaya bumaba ang percentages. Nakahabol naman itong Pure Foods.
Sabi ni Coach Derek, balik tayo sa dati natin ginagawa. Sunod tayo kumuha.
So, 3-point play, kinumpleto ni Jay Wash. 2-point lead na lang ang Pure Foods, 37-35. Here's Kirby. Ganatong-ganado yan. 2 straight baskets and almost 3. Pero free throws na naman. Ang i-award dito kay Kirby Raimundo. Ikaw man nagsabi. Making a living from the 4.5-meter line.
Alam mo, ito si Kirby already has scored 8 points dito sa quarter na ito. No? 4 na free throws, 4 out of 4. Tignan natin, baka na-jinx natin. Hindi, 5 out of 5. Free throw line. Ito si Kirby Raimundo.
May mga palitan tayo rito.
Richard G.
Oo.
pasok para sa Pure Foods.
Kirby.
Still flawless, ha?
Tuloy-tuloy pa. Flawless, ano?
On the free throw line.
Alapag, Ritualo. Ritualo, 4 na 3-pointer na. Yancy. Ito mawala ang bola. And the shot clock is ticking away. Ito si Ritualo. Puts it up. Malakas na. Pero another offensive rebound para sa Toketex. So, hindi talaga nagkukulang sa offensive rebound. Pero parang harapan. Oo, naagaw. And he misses the layup. The putback doesn't go in. Pero kanila pa rin ang bola. At yun, nawala ang bola. Pero the ball will stay with them off that tap out. So may chance mag-regroup ang Pure Foods dito after that helter-skelter play.
Alam mo, ito si Richard G. Went up on the wrong foot. Nung sa layup na yun, kaya nag-multi siya eh.
Roger Yap. Spins around. Drops it off sa loob. Bukas na bukas ang palpal. Oo, naabutan. Kasi nagbubble muna eh. Kaya naabutan eh.
Richard G. dito. Getting into the flow of things. Yan, si Leo Campo says, ito.
Oo. That's a TM3 from Yancy De Ocampo. At cuts the lead down to just 1 point. 39-38. Roger Yap. Kirby Raimundo. Oo, diba hindi talaga pwede kalimutan ng tao. Mga mythical team member yan. Kirby Raimundo, Mark Pingrich, Roger Yap, James Yap. Diba?
Oo.
Kaya, diba?
National player.
Hindi ganun ka deep daw ang bench. Eh. Galing-galing naman ng mga main menu. Pero wow, this guy is on fire. Pang-limang 3-pointer. TM Trust naman yan mula kay Remy Ritualo. That's his fifth in this first half. And a timeout is called on the floor. Dahil nga, nakabalik na itong Toketex after the initial barrage itong Pure Foods. So far in this first half, initially, akala natin Toketex okay na in control. Pure Foods naman humabol, lumamang, pero Toketex grabs it right back on the fifth 3-pointer of Ren Ritualo sa ating first half, Barry.
Well, yun na nga, things are getting to be interesting. Eto pa isa, mali yung pasa, masyadong mababa for a big break. Kaya Raimundo tatanggap, kailangan payukuin. Ang laki ng distansya nung gagawin itong si Kirby.
So Toketex naman may opportunity ngayon na palaki na kanilang lamang. That's down to 2. They led by as much as 11 points earlier in this game.
Well, at the end of the first quarter, 27-16.
Pero ngayon, angat na naman sa apat yan dahil Harvey Carey hitting an outside jumper. Quite rare for him, usually inside operator.
Oo, saka usually pulot mo yan eh. Tinakuha ng mga mintis ng kanyang kakampi. Pero that time, took a shot on the way out. Richard G. natakam sa supply.
Oo, free throw stance yun, pero hindi pumasok. Ito si Jimmy Alapag. We haven't heard from him. We were saying, wala pa rin ang kanyang layup. Kala niya, all the way na sa doon eh.
He was challenged.
Roger Yap off the glass, too strong. One more time around. Ball goes out, natapik palabas. At, matawag dito.
Simple tapang lang eh. Ano ito?
The foul is called and ito si Roger Yap. He's at the line.
Si Alapag ilalabas after missing that shot. Pati nung ito si Romel Adupol.
Si Alapag talaga unheard of hit sa ating first half for his team. At well, the 3-point bombs ito si Rene Ritualo have kept them afloat. They're up by 3. Ito si Rene Ritualo, hands it off. Pelano to Carey. Carey to Aliado. Ito si Aliado. Wants to make his move. Going right, goes up off the glass. Wala yan.
What was that?
Oo.
Hindi na uso ngayon yung basic expedition eh.
Talaga. Pilit na pilit yun. Para kay Juan Aliado. Change jab down to Jondan. Ito si hingi ng bola to. Si Jondan wants to challenge the bigger defender.
At hindi na rin uso dito ngayon ang flap.
Pero Kirby Raimundo cleans it up. Para dito kay Jondan Salvador.
12 points in the second quarter para dito kay Kirby Raimundo.
So 1 point na lang ang lamang nito. But Yancy wants to release that. Natapik ang bola. Ito, agaw na naman. Roger Yap, parang slow motion. Pero,
ang hirap agawan eh, no?
oo, may na-sandwich siya rito.
Calculated yung pagdadala niya ng bola eh. Penalty na tayo. Don Belbelano matatawagan ng foul that time.
2 shots ang mangyari rito para sa TJ Giants. Chance to grab the upper hand once again. Pero hindi. Supply ang unang free throw for the Wolves. They can